Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this two-part series, we'll tackle a crucial topic: how to ensure your vehicle's GPS locator stays secure. Let's dive into part 1, where we'll explore the initial steps to keep your GPS in place. How to prevent your vehicle GPS locator from being removed. Are you concerned about the security of your vehicle's GPS locator? Worried about the possibility of it being removed or tampered with? In this video, we will discuss effective methods to prevent your vehicle GPS locator from being compromised. Whether you're a fleet manager, a concerned vehicle owner, or simply someone who wants to safeguard their GPS tracking system, we've got you covered. By implementing these preventive measures, you can ensure the uninterrupted functionality and safety of your vehicle's GPS locator. So, let's dive in and explore how you can protect your valuable asset. When it comes to vehicle security, one aspect that often gets overlooked is the prevention of GPS locator removal. Many modern vehicles are equipped with GPS tracking systems that provide valuable information about a vehicle's whereabouts. However, these systems can be rendered useless if the GPS locator is tampered with or removed altogether. In this section, we will explore the importance of preventing GPS locator removal and the potential consequences of neglecting this crucial security measure. Protect your investment. Your vehicle is not just a means of transportation, it is also a significant investment. Whether you use it for personal or business purposes, protecting your investment is a top priority. A GPS locator can provide real-time tracking and monitoring of your vehicle's location, which can be invaluable in the event of theft or unauthorized use. By preventing the removal of the GPS locator, you enhance the chances of recovering your vehicle quickly, minimizing potential damages, and safeguarding your investment. Increase recovery rate. In the unfortunate event that your vehicle is stolen, a GPS locator can significantly increase the chances of recovery. Law enforcement agencies and insurance companies rely on GPS tracking systems to locate stolen vehicles efficiently. By preventing the removal of the GPS locator, you ensure that the tracking system remains operational and continues to transmit accurate location data. This can expedite the recovery process, increasing the likelihood of retrieving your vehicle and reducing the associated costs and stress. Deter theft attempts. The presence of a GPS locator alone can act as a powerful deterrent against theft. Potential thieves are more likely to think twice before targeting a vehicle equipped with a visible GPS tracking system. However, if they discover that the GPS locator can be easily removed or disabled, it diminishes the deterrent effect and makes your vehicle a more attractive target. By taking proactive measures to prevent GPS locator removal, you send a clear message to potential thieves that your vehicle is protected and not an easy target. Preserve personal safety. In addition to protecting your vehicle, preventing GPS locator removal can also contribute to your personal safety. GPS tracking systems can provide valuable emergency services such as roadside assistance and automatic collision notifications. By ensuring that the GPS locator remains in place, you enable these features to function effectively, enhancing your safety and well-being while on the road. Maintain insurance benefits. Insurance companies often offer discounts or benefits to policyholders who have a GPS tracking system installed in their vehicles. These benefits can include reduced premiums, stolen vehicle recovery assistance, and enhanced coverage options. However, insurance providers typically require that the GPS locator remains intact and functional. Failing to prevent GPS locator removal may result in the loss of these insurance benefits, leaving you financially vulnerable and without the added protection that comes with a GPS tracking system. In conclusion, the prevention of GPS locator removal is of utmost importance for vehicle security. By protecting your investment, increasing the recovery rate, deterring theft attempts, preserving personal safety, and maintaining insurance benefits, you can ensure comprehensive protection for your vehicle and peace of mind for yourself. Take the necessary steps to secure your GPS locator and enjoy the numerous advantages it brings in safeguarding your vehicle. Secure installation methods. When it comes to preventing your vehicle GPS locator from being removed, secure installation methods are essential. By implementing these methods, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of your GPS device being tampered with or stolen. In this section, we will explore some effective strategies for securing the installation of your vehicle GPS locator. Choose hidden locations. One of the initial steps in ensuring the security of your GPS locator is to select a hidden location for its installation. By choosing a discrete spot, you minimize the chances of the device being easily spotted or accessed by unauthorized individuals. Consider installing it in inconspicuous areas like under the dashboard, behind panels, or within the glove compartment. The goal is to make it difficult for potential thieves to discover and remove the GPS device. Professional installation. Opting for professional installation is a wise decision when it comes to securing your vehicle GPS locator. Professional installers possess the expertise and experience necessary to install the device in a secure and effective manner. Their knowledge of the intricacies of different vehicle models enables them to find the most discreet and concealed locations for installation. Moreover, professional installation often involves using tamper-proof hardware and concealing wiring, minimizing the risk of detection or removal. Use tamper-proof hardware. Using tamper-proof hardware is vital for enhancing the security of your GPS locator. Tamper-proof screws and bolts make it more difficult for unauthorized individuals to dismantle or remove the device. These specialized fasteners require unique tools or techniques to loosen or undo, adding an extra layer of protection. By incorporating tamper-proof hardware, you make it significantly harder for potential thieves to tamper with or steal your GPS locator. Conceal wiring and components. To further enhance the security of your GPS locator, it is important to conceal the wiring and components associated with the device. Exposed wires or visible GPS modules can attract unwanted attention and make it easier for thieves to locate and remove the device. Concealing the wiring and components within the vehicle's interior helps maintain a low profile and reduces the vulnerability of the GPS locator. Additionally, concealing the wiring minimizes the risk of accidental damage or interference. By implementing secure installation methods such as choosing hidden locations, opting for professional installation, using tamper-proof hardware, and concealing wiring and components, you can significantly reduce the risk of your vehicle GPS locator being tampered with or removed. These measures will provide peace of mind, knowing that your GPS device is securely installed to help safeguard your vehicle and its valuable assets. Enhancing physical security measures. When it comes to preventing the removal of your vehicle GPS locator, enhancing physical security measures should be a top priority. By taking a proactive approach, you can significantly reduce the risk of theft and protect your valuable asset. In this section, we will discuss some practical and effective steps you can take to enhance the physical security of your vehicle. Park in secure locations. Choosing the right parking spot can make a big difference in deterring theft. Whenever possible, park your vehicle in well-lit, high-traffic areas. Opt for secure parking lots or garages equipped with surveillance cameras and security personnel. By parking in such locations, you not only increase the visibility of your vehicle but also make it less appealing to potential thieves. Use steering wheel locks. Steering wheel locks are an inexpensive yet highly effective deterrent. These devices create an additional layer of security by making it extremely difficult for thieves to maneuver the vehicle even if they manage to break in. By using a steering wheel lock, you add an extra obstacle that can discourage theft attempts and protect your GPS locator. Thanks for joining us in part 1 of our series on safeguarding your vehicle's GPS locator. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver for more automotive expert information. Be sure to stay tuned for part 2, where we'll continue our discussion on maintaining your GPS's security. Drive safely, and we'll see you soon. Thank you for watching.